Hey everyone, this is just going to be a quick video. In essence, just to say thank you to everyone. We've reached 180 subscribers, which I know is a strange number. I did want to make a video once it hit 100. But yeah, so generally I would receive like 1 or 2 subscribers every few days. But less than 2 days ago it hit 150. It's just been basically skyrocketing from my point of view of how fast it's been going previously. And and basically in less than 2 days, it's gone up by 30 new subscribers. So it's jumped from 150 to 180 in less than 2 days. I don't know if that's because of a YouTube algorithm. Once it hits 150 subscribers, maybe they push the content more, or whether someone's given me a shout out that I'm unaware of. I haven't been, tagged in anything or told anything. Whatever the reason, I appreciate it a lot. But I just want to thank every single one of you watching right now. Whether you've been like a close friend or family member of mine for the first 3 or 5 subscribers to sort of get the ball rolling, or whether you're an eToro trader that's been sort of commenting and helping me along the way, or whether you're brand new and this is your first video. But I just want to say thank you. I honestly mean it. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. It's been a tough 12 months for everyone with the C word. People have lost family members during this time and lost jobs, and I just appreciate all the support for the last 12 months, and that you've been, watching and keeping me a part of your routine and subscribing and liking and commenting on the channel. So I really do appreciate it. Honestly, thank you. Let's do a quick update recap whilst we're here. So I've got 4 traders here that I'm copying, as you can see. Got J Nemesis, net invested 330, currently at 42%. Got Hugo at $200 and $15 here at 7.89%. Then S-Man 320, because that was the minimum he could have initially. I always like to do 200 for the person if I can. Obviously I put more on Jay as the time's gone on because he's really outperformed my expectations. So S-Man 320, he's got $17 and 5%. And Jazzy, he was on 200, but he made a post a few days ago, last week. Basically, he added in 100% of his equity. So he doubled his money, essentially, which sort of diluted all of the trades he had. The minimum he had was 0.66%, so $200 would have been fine to copy him. But after he put the funds on, that halved itself. So now it's 0.32, I believe it is. So $312 was now the new minimum. But round it up to 320 just to cover eToro fees and all those other little bits and pieces. So he's got 320, currently on $12 and almost 4% in a couple of days. So really happy with this at the moment. Allocated is $11.70. Total profit is $224, and the equity is $1,404. So yeah, that does it. Just a very short video, as I said. Thank you again. I really appreciate it. All of your liking, commenting, and subscribing. I appreciate and love and respect every one of you, even though I don't know most of you. But I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.